Want to use a green screen effect on CapCut to remove the background from a video, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the green screen tool on CapCut. Now let's get started. To use the green screen tool on CapCut, open the CapCut app and open an existing project you want to use this effect on, or start a new one. Add the clip you want to use as the background for your video to the main project timeline. Then add your clip recorded with the green screen background as an overlay. For this example, I'm using one of the free green screen elements in CapCut's video library. To remove the background of your overlay, scroll sideways in the bottom menu and select Remove BG. Then tap Chroma Key. Now use the color picker circle to select the solid background color you want to remove. Tap the check mark to confirm. You can then play back your project and see that the green screen background has been removed from your overlay. Continue editing your project and tap Export when you're finished. That's all it takes to use the green screen tool on CapCut. To learn more about adding overlays in CapCut, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.